Hello everyone, Hatwani from Projection back again with the newest news as we always promise. Today we're gonna talk about Zalman Turbo Cooling Notebook. If you have a gaming notebook, you got me, and if you have a notebook that he's gaming and you want to care about his VGA that he will burn or something, and you want your VGA always performance work nice, this is the right fan for you. You know, I'm gonna tell you something. Listen, I want to tell you something. Why this is the best cooler fan that you will ever have. I try like almost 5 kinds or 7 kinds of cooling fan, but to be honest with you, this brand is one of the best one. Let's unbox first. You know, here to tell you about that we have a 4 USB type, 220 millimeter of fan cooling space, which is mean this is supporting even if you have Alienware or MSI or Lenovo or whatever you have size of your even Alienware M18, this fan is gonna fit him. Okay, if you talk here, you know what this fan have? This is the most features that I like in this fan. Look here, this is 17.3 and she fit him well. The cool thing here, that's the material of the fan that you have. Okay, here she can give, listen, I'm gonna explain for you something. Here you have turbo boost, which is mean in the time when you are playing games, you can press this button and the fan will gonna work with double speed of the normal time. Okay, and here you have even for connecting extra display boards. Okay, you have here 4. Let's unbox and see. Okay, and here they tell you about how the heavy it is, how the white and everything. Okay, we got the fan here. We have the cable. This is the connect, and here the USB. You can connect both here when you make turbo boost, and you have here the menu. Okay, let's show something here. Here's the turbo boost that we talk about. Here, when you press this, you will have double speed. You got me? Double speed that in case while you are playing game. Listen to me. Yes, it's one fan, okay, but this is one big fan, which is mean it's gonna give you what to tell you. This is gonna give you fitting all. This is like aluminum, you got me? And the most, you know, I try a lot of fans. This is one of the best. If you are gaming laptop, let's try and see for test. Look guys, here's from behind. We have the on and off, you got me? Here you can make it as higher. Here to connect 4. Okay, we have, you know what is this? This is extra adapter. If you wanna connect it to electric, it's gonna give more. For example, you don't wanna take power from your power supply for your laptop. You can buy this extra adapter from eBay, and this costs $6, and it will work through electric, so it will not take from your power supply electric. See how this looks like. This is garbage Sony laptop, of course. Listen, this is not strong laptop, okay? But at least when I play, I not feel the different. I mean, my VGA not got hot. You got me? See, now I connected. Look, I'm gonna show you. Now, if I will press the turbo boost, see, now it's become red. If I press turbo boost, now it's giving double speed. Here, I don't know if you can hear or not, because actually we open music here. See? Now it's pressing, giving speed well. Look, I feel here coldness. You got me? So here, if you press this one, here you have, look. This is turbo boost button. Turbo booster. This is here, which is mean it's gonna give you double speed. You got me? Okay, this is all I can tell you about the laptop at the moment. About the fan. If you want fan, this is the best you can ever got. This Zalman, and there's model after her, but this one is the best model at the moment because she have this turbo boost options. Okay. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we save this box because this fan cost almost $70, and this is the best that you will ever got here. Thanks for Mangoose shop that he show us how let us do this video and he allow us. By the way, let me show you one thing first. Okay, guys, now she's working. The best thing in this Zalman, the best thing that she don't have voice. You got me? See here, she don't have any kind of voice, and this is have USB cable here extra, and here she don't see it's work probably it's work double, and she don't have any kind of voice. If you hear here, and this is so important point that at night when you play and like this noise will not affect you. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in another vlog with another video comparison between Zalman and eTrust. So my advice for you, this is the best fan. Thanks for watching and peace.